aha mukorogo Major Retired Jessica Alupo niwe yajwekera President Yoweri Kaguta Museveni. Umubutumwa bwe President Museveni yasima abanyadiini ahabw'entunguuka eyibaresire omu byanga. Museveni yashaba abanyadiini kwera bebembezi kurwanisa obworo obure n'obuteganisa ihanga.
Our communities were still backward. For instance, they were illiterate, poor, and underdeveloped. Missionary work did not stop at spiritual conversion, but it involved teaching the new converts how to read, to write, and count.
Bishop Rubaramera yayoreka ngo emyaka igana eyikasido ya rushoroza emazire omubuhereza neyo kwesimisa ahabwe bakireho.
What we celebrate should challenge you. Therefore, the gift of faith that you have celebrated, may you be challenged to live that faith, but to let it grow. As you have in your theme for the Jubilee, the celebration, may that theme continue to lighten your lives.
Abandi bebembezi abahika aha mukorogo bayoreka okwesima ahabw'entunguuka eyekereziya ekozire omu kyanga eki.
I want to say this, that Jesus healed, Jesus fed the hungry, and when he was feeding the hungry and healing, he never segregated, because he was demonstrating the power of God who loves all of us. And that's what Bishop Kalisti has done in this diocese.
Excellency, we are doing very well in the parish development model. We have so far given 100 million to every parish in this place.
Aha mukoro nugugumwe sente ziri kuhika miliyoni 2 nazo zashorozwa kandi President Museveni yataho miliyoni 50.
kandi hati ya binosho mingi akuba ukiri mu bari sio bikorera kandi abari kwenda ujuma jamani.
I would like to congratulate Shoroza Cathedral and as a parish for reaching 100 years of faith, and we must celebrate and thank God for the growth of this great diocese.
Gashakwa Job Namanya, omuri Kabale.